Hello my friends, it's Danny, and today I am showing you how to make clean and delicious quesadillas. This is a super easy meal idea that comes together in just minutes, and the best part is that it's so versatile. Now I'm going to be making chicken and broccoli quesadillas today, but you can literally use any type of leftover meat or vegetable to make the most delicious quesadilla. Before we jump in, I'd like to thank my sponsor, Made In. Made In designs professional quality cookware and products for the home chef. Their kitchenware receives 5-star reviews from both press and customers and is used in top-rated restaurants and hotel groups across America. I love the feel and quality of their 12-inch nonstick pan. It's double cured, PFOA-free, non-toxic, healthy, and oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And what I really appreciate about them is that they sell directly to consumers. So there's no resellers, no distributors, and no retailers, which means you and I get a very high quality product at a very affordable price. So if you are in the market for cookware, I highly recommend them. I also have a link for you down in the description box below. And if you use code Danny15, you will save 15% on all Made In products. So for your quesadillas, the first thing you want to think about are your fillings. I personally recommend using some type of leftover or Head Start ingredient because that's going to be key to keeping these quesadillas very simple, quick, and easy. Now I'm making broccoli and chicken quesadillas, and what I like to do at the beginning of the week when I am doing my meal prep is I will either make a chicken or I will buy a rotisserie chicken like I have here. And then while it's still warm, I will cut off the leg and the thigh, and you'll see it will come right off. Then I'll just pull off the wing, do the same thing on the opposite side, and then I'll come over the top and right by the breastbone, you're just gonna take your knife there and just slide right against it and cut out the breast meat. So I'll do that on each side. And then for the chicken breast, I like to remove the skin and then just slice them across. And from here, I transfer them into an airtight container and I have them in the fridge ready to go as a really quick Head Start ingredient. Now for the quesadillas, I'm gonna chop the chicken up a little bit more because you want everything to be really small, really easy to get into the quesadilla and easy to eat. Then for my veggie, I have some steamed broccoli. Again, I did this when I meal prepped, and I'm just gonna give this a rough chop as well. Now I can't overemphasize this enough. These are so flexible. So use whatever you have on hand. You can do beans, you can do any type of vegetable, any type of meat, even eggs if you wanted to do a breakfast quesadilla. Okay, so have some fun with it. So I've got my veggies in a nice hot pan. You do not need any added oil or butter. And from here, I like to season it. This is a great time to add another layer of flavor. So I'm gonna do a bit of garlic powder, some nice smoky cumin, a bit of sea salt, and black pepper. And then I'll just toss that around, let it go for 2 or 3 minutes or until everything is heated through. Then I will transfer the fillings into a bowl, wipe out your pan. This pan wipes out so easily, and we're ready to build our quesadillas. So into my hot pan goes 1 8-inch tortilla. You can use any type of tortilla you love. There are so many options out there today. And then I'm gonna brush a little bit of olive oil right over the top and then flip the tortilla. I like that little light coating of olive oil because that's gonna help our tortilla brown and get a nice crispy edge. Now we're gonna take some shredded cheese. I've got a combination of cheddar and Monterey cheese, and we're gonna lay it over half of the tortilla, kind of like a half moon. Then you're gonna take that filling and layer it in. You need about a scant cup of filling per quesadilla. So keep that in mind when you're deciding on your fillings. Then I'm gonna sprinkle a little more of that shredded cheese over the top and gently fold the quesadilla over on itself. I like to just push over the top with my spatula, get everything to adhere, and then I let this go for 2 minutes or until the tortilla is nice and brown and that cheese is beginning to melt. Then you're gonna come underneath the tortilla and gently flip it over. Oh, now you see that? That's exactly what you're looking for, that nice light golden brown color. The cheese is melting. This is gonna go for another 2 minutes. So all of that cheese has melted through and we've got nice crispy edges. And keep in mind that for each quesadilla, you're gonna need 1 8-inch tortilla, 1/3 cup of shredded cheese, and 1 scant cup of fillings, whatever it is you choose. Now, once the quesadilla has cooled for a minute or two, I just like to cut it in half. And then my favorite way to serve this is with this very simple, cool, spicy sauce that's very easy to make. I just take a bit of Greek yogurt, add in a couple teaspoons of red chili paste, and stir that all together. It is the perfect complementary sauce for the quesadilla. Side note, guacamole would also be delicious. So I'm so excited for you to try these quesadillas. Not only are they simple and nutritious, but if you have busy weeknights, like I know so many of you do, this is a great way to get a healthy meal on the table in 15 minutes tops. And if you like easy cleanup or are sticking to a lower fat diet, the made-in pans are ideal. They last 10 times longer than their premium competitors' nonstick surfaces and 70 times longer than ceramic nonstick surfaces. For those of you who are looking for some new cookware, I truly highly recommend the made-in products. They are great quality products at a more affordable price. And if you want to check them out, I have a link for you down in the description box below. And remember, you can save 15% off of any of the made-in products using code Danny15. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Danny Spies, and I will see you back here next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers.